she used to be a part of a scout team. They nearly beat a leader one time. They didn't have enough thread to sew the patches on. She said, you know how you heard about that family that burned down in that house? Well, that was her. She said it was just some hoax that you made up to watch people cry. Yeah, she whispered to me softly. Do you want me? Just how I am. Do you need me? Where I stand. Let's go steady. Let's make a plan. Marinate on that for a while. She wanted to die by a river. She wanted the tide to come up and drag her away, so that when she's dreaming, she could watch the tree line